Upgrade versus clean install. Step number one is to make sure you have a good backup. Backup your pictures, your music, your documents, and this is easily done using Windows Explorer and simply dragging your files to a removable media and making a copy. So make sure you have a good copy of all your downloads, favorite, desktop, contacts, links, music, pictures, videos, and so on. Note that software can't be backed up, so keep your installation disks and product keys. Now the possible upgrades that you can perform are shown in this chart. Now a clean or custom installation gives you the option to completely replace your current operating system. The in-place upgrade keeps your file settings and programs intact from your current version of Windows. So this might be a better option for you and would keep you from having to reinstall all your software. The in-place upgrade is possible from Windows Vista Home Basic or Windows Vista Home Premium from 32-bit to 32-bit, or from the 64-bit version to the 64-bit. Also, these can be upgraded to Windows 7 Ultimate, again 32 to 32 or 64 to 64. Windows Vista Business can be upgraded to Windows 7 Professional or Windows 7 Ultimate. Again, 32 to 32, 64 to 64. Windows Vista Ultimate can be upgraded to Windows 7 Ultimate. Again, you cannot go from 64-bit to 32 or from 32 to 64. The Windows Anytime upgrade is recommended if you are eligible for it, and you can go from Windows 7 Starter to Home Premium, Windows 7 Home Premium to Professional, or Windows 7 Home Premium to Ultimate. You can purchase the upgrade from Micro Center, Windows 7 Starter to Home Premium, Windows 7 Home Premium to Professional, Windows 7 Home Premium to Ultimate, and then when you do the upgrade, you simply click Start, key in Windows Upgrade, Windows Anytime Upgrade, and then if you've already purchased it, you can simply enter the 25 position upgrade key, and then you'll be guided through the rest of the update. The Windows Upgrade Advisor is strongly recommended. This is a free download that you can obtain from Microsoft, and you simply search for the Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor and then download and run it to see if your PC is ready for Windows 7. It scans your hardware, devices, and installed programs for known compatibility issues and gives you guidance on how to resolve potential issues and recommends what to do before you upgrade. To do the Windows upgrade, you boot from your hard drive and run your operating system. When it's up and running, you insert the upgrade disk, and when it auto-plays, click Run or Set Up to start it running. It will guide you through the update process. Now, if you're not doing an upgrade, you will need to check driver availability. Let's say, for example, that you have a Dell Dimension 2400 and you want to install Windows 7. So you go to Dell, you click Support, Drivers and Downloads, and find your machine, and look at the operating system options. If Windows 7 isn't listed, then those drivers aren't supplied, and you will have difficulty getting some of your devices to work. Now, when you're doing a clean install, you won't boot from your hard drive, you'll boot from the installation disk. One thing to consider is using a brand new hard drive. So you can save your old hard drive and have the option of putting it back in, and this way you're sure you won't lose anything from the old hard drive. And you can experiment with that new hard drive without damaging or any loss of information. Now, some machines give you an option for boot menu, for example F12. If you look closely at the very first screen that appears when you turn on your computer, there will be a brief message as to what function keys are used for the boot menu or for setup. It comes and goes quickly, so you may have to try a few times to find out exactly which keys your machine uses. The boot menu would let you select the CD or DVD drive for boot. If you don't have that option, some machines use F2 for setup, and you can then go to boot options and make sure the CD, if bootable, is going to take precedence over your hard drive. There will be a message that says press any key to boot from CD. When you see this message, press any key. There is a timer,
They couldn't find it. I found it. We're actually
and that
over
message
one.
will vanish quickly.
So that's good, but that scares me.
Now, once you've finished your clean install, check your device manager. And you do that by click Start, right-click on Computer, click Properties, click Device Manager, and hopefully you don't have any little yellow triangles with black exclamation points showing that some devices are not properly installed. Also, click Remote Settings, click Hardware and Device Installation Settings, and make sure Windows will automatically download driver software. This can save you a lot of time. Also, check to make sure that Windows is activated. It may say that you have three days to activate it, and do so as soon as possible after you get internet connectivity. The clean install is recommended because you're more likely to be satisfied with the results. But if you do have the option for Windows Anytime Upgrade, it's quick, easy, and effective.